Hey everyone. Well, it's 27th today, and it's been a beautiful few days with family, which has been really lovely. Hope you've had some fun times wherever you are on the planet at the moment. However, this has played out for you. Within our very small family, we had, I think it's 5 gatherings that weren't able to come together because of current shenanigans on the planet. So there's lots of tension, there's lots of challenges, there's lots of fear and anger and frustration out there with what's going on. So I hope you're all happy, healthy, and well, and I hope you are looking forward to 2022. But just associated with what is coming up, it's going to be a big year in 2022, so it's really important to keep your values high, keep connected with your soul, keep connected with your center, and start writing down what's important to you. What is the most important things for you? Everyone has different values. Everyone has different soul energy. Everyone has a different reason they're here on the planet at the moment. So everyone's going to have different goals and outcomes and beliefs and truths, and that's okay. That's okay. It would be really bizarre if everyone thought the same on the planet. We wouldn't be humans, we would be robots. So that would not be a planet that I would want to live on. I want to discuss things with people. I want to be challenged. I want to be in a position where I can discuss anything with anyone at any time. And I think that is what it means to be human. It's what it means to be human. Let's have a chat. Let's discuss something. But once we're being insulting and rude and nasty to each other, that's not what humans are about. That's not our highest potential. And once we get to that spot, that where is that coming from? It's coming from a place of fear or anger or frustration, or it's not our highest potential. And I don't think anyone could argue that. I think we need to be living in calm and peace and hoping for the betterment of everyone. That's what I hope. That's what I hope. I hope everyone has a better 2022 than they had in 2021. I hope that things open up and that lives are easier and that we become more happy, healthy, and prosperous. I hope that's going to be everyone's trajectory for 2022. So let's put our positive energy on and move forward with happy health and happiness, and just sort of keep questioning what's going on in our own backyards. Because if we're not paying attention, stuff gets by. And that's fine if it just gets by. But as wise people have said in the past, if you don't pay attention and stuff happens, you don't have any right to complain about things. So the more we pay attention to the little things that are happening, the more it's not a big surprise when something big does happen. And there's been some big stuff. There's been big stuff happening here in Australia, so, and different countries are responding in different ways. So when you see stuff happening in different countries, it's hard to judge because what is happening for you may not be happening for me and vice versa. So it's important to remember that we're on a planet. We are all human. We are all experiencing our own experience of life. And we're all experiencing this whole challenge in different ways. But what's really great is that there are people all over the planet who are dipping their toe in spirituality for the first time every day. And there are people using terminology that they've never used before every day on the planet. So things are shifting and it's coming into quite a spiritual time again on the planet. And I think as we move forward, it's going to be a really lovely space as we move forward and pay attention and dip our toe in spirituality even more as we move forward for 2022. So take good care. Love you all. I open my mind to everything going on the planet. I'm paying lots of attention. And I think that we can really create a beautiful, wonderful space out there if we allow it. If fear and anger and frustration and hostility are the way that we move forward with everything, that's not going to happen. So it's those are really dense emotions there, and they're compact emotion, and they weigh down our souls. They create challenges with our egos. Whereas when we're moving forward with light and love, they're really open. They're really vibrant, huge, energetic emotions, so that can spread really fast and spread far and wide. And there's been studies done on people who meditate and how many people around them get affected in a positive manner. So there's amazing stuff out there in relation to gratitude, in relation to love, in relation to meditation, in relation to feeling peace in your heart, and what a positive impact it has on the people around you. And whatever that means for you, whether that's prayer, whether that's God, whether that's Buddha, whether that's just love, whether it's going to the ocean, whether it's climbing in the mountains, whether it's being in your peaceful space, whether it's finding the next rainbow, going on your next bushwalk. Find your happy space. Maybe that should be our goal for 2022. That happy space where you can close your mind and own it in a heartbeat. Yeah, that just makes me want to sigh with happiness. Take care, everyone. Take care of all the people around you who you love and adore, and talk to you soon.